In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sticky table headers in Confluence. If you work with long tables, you know how easy it is to lose track of which column is which as you scroll. A sticky or fixed header keeps the top row locked in view, so column titles remain visible the whole time, making your page easier to read and your data faster to interpret. Let's walk through exactly how to set this up. First, open the Confluence page that contains the table you want to adjust. You'll need permission to edit the page, so make sure you're working in a space where you can make changes. Next, click the Edit button near the top of the page to enter the editor. This switches the page into an editable mode where table controls are available. Click anywhere inside the table. Selecting any cell will reveal the table toolbar. In the current Confluence editor, this toolbar usually appears just above or below the table with options for formatting rows and columns. In some layouts, you may also see a small menu button at the table's top left corner. Before turning on the sticky behavior, confirm that the first row is set as the header row. The header row is what Confluence pins to the top when you scroll. If your first row isn't already a header, change it now. Look for a control labeled header row or an option in the table menu that converts the selected row into a header. When it's correctly applied, the first row will take on the header styling, typically bold text, and a different background. Now open the Table Options menu. This is the menu in the table toolbar that manages layout features. Within these options, locate the setting for sticky or fixed headers. Different versions may label it slightly differently, such as fixed header, stick header, or keep header visible. Enable that option to tell Confluence to keep the header row visible as the page scrolls. When you're done, publish the page. Publishing applies the change and exits the editor, so you can test it in the normal reading view. After the page reloads, scroll down through the table. You should see the header row remain pinned at the top of the table area, while the rest of the rows move beneath it. This makes scanning across columns much easier, especially on wide or lengthy tables. That's all you need to do. By ensuring the first row is a header, enabling the sticky header option, and publishing, you've made your table far more readable for everyone who visits the page.